This is not a car. This is Queen. Is there any reason to build a secret car project for around 3 years? Yes, if you expect high quality. And there is a reason to keep it a secret. We have noticed nobody wants to wait a few years for a car to be built. That's too long. Time destroys your expectations. It would be way easier to get a car within a half of a year, right? This project is about it. We prepared the chassis using Kevlar lightweight body panels. We used 3.0 engine with PMO, 46 carbs and sport camshafts to increase power. The suspension parts were redone too. We just left some stiffness adjustments for the client. Queen was equipped with carbon bypass rear muffler combined with SSI manifolds, which you can turn on and turn off by the switch. We left the interior choices for the client because that's the thing the driver sees the most. Materials, colors and other details like wireless charger, invisible sound system and wheels. We were able to finish the car within a half of a year. Why does everything take so long? Imagine we spent around 1,600 hours just on the bodywork. We needed to restore all rusty parts first, assembled Kevlar parts after. And the goal was to make everything suit perfectly. Moreover, we didn't want to fix any imperfections by filler. The painting process took 10 months. Why so long, you ask? We wanted to be sure every single layer of paint is dry. Do you recognize the nasty structure on a painted fender, but on the other hand, you remember how pretty it was when you received the car from the painter? Sun affects paint. Doesn't affect if we use high quality materials and wait between spraying the layers. Building the engine, collecting a lot of other parts takes time too. Remember, it's not just buying parts. Regarding the fuel tank, there are 4 basic options. All choices affect everything else. There are always choices. We took around 1,500 peaks of the building process. What is Queen? A beautiful car that is great for everyday usage. It's not even a restomat. It's something more. It's a real early 911F model with a lot of carbon upgrades. Carbon color code. Engraved leather. Carbon B LED headlights. Upholstered red room floor kit. A customized engine grille, floorboards, shifter coupler cover and the rear muffler grille. 15 inches super wide Fuchs wheels. Trunk mat that suits the interior. Engine insulation mat that suits the interior. Brass engine decals. A lot of energy and know-how was incorporated to build a spectacular car. We are the special sauce that makes the car amazing.